was the Allegro moderato movement of Sonatina in G by Köhler. It's a sonatina, it's not a full-blown sonata, but it's an excellent example to listen to the change in the theme when it's stated in the major key of G and when the middle section starts and it moves to the relative minor. Here's just a measure. A very simple theme with a chord change from tonic to dominant. And then, when the middle section starts in measure 13, so he changes the accompaniment to emphasize the minor scale that accompanies the melody. There's another aspect of this. When this middle section ends, the entire section is in E minor, and it ends with this gesture. So it doesn't sound like it ends on the note of the dominant. You could even hear a chord to accompany that. The dominant chord, so a half or imperfect cadence. This B, though, functions in two different ways. It's the fifth note of the E minor scale. It's also the third note of the G major scale, so it very easily takes us back to this G major theme again, because the B is part of it. Listen to that again. So the modulations are sudden, but what the composer is doing is he's taking these pivot notes that belong to both keys, G major and E minor. So listen to that when you practice.